is Salve Dahle, and I'm head of the steering committee. For those of you who attended Arctic Frontiers earlier years, you will know that we have always, and I say it, always served hot chocolate and special sun cakes to take care of the sun that just returned to us. Saying that Sami people had been serving vidus much more longer than we ever had been serving hot chocolate and sunburns. So we assume the sun will also return next year.
And I will congratulate Salve Dahle and the rest of his crew. It's amazing what they can do. Very few people, very talented, and they never, ever give in to any kind of challenge. So, welcome to the city of the Chess Olympics. Play well, work hard, play hard, and have a nice conference and enjoy the wonderful city and its environment.
That the Aurora Borealis is one of our features as well. And so it was wonderful, as I have been to Tromsø before, to come back here and to see the aurora again in a different perspective from the far north. The impact of climate change is profound on those of us who are from northern areas.
I want to salute the organizers and sponsors for including young researchers and young professionals as a fundamental part of this conference. Over the last week and extending throughout the conference until Friday, the Emerging Leaders Program has brought together young researchers and professionals from 7 countries from around the world.
The global outlook today shows a clear increase in the world's population. Actually, by 2050, we're going to be some 9 billion people on the planet.
I understand that you are very excited about all the money you're going to make. But you see, the ecosystems in the Arctic have value. They are valuable just by having enormous biodiversity. Sea ice melting in polar regions, and along with the increasing ocean acidification, this will have irreversible effects on the marine ecosystem.
Today's existing technology will form the basis for the robust system solutions we need for this future. However, there are technology gaps that need to be addressed before we can further explore and utilize these energy resources in safe manners.
So our group agreed that as industry leaders, you have a responsibility for transparent and honest communication about your company's goals and activities in the Arctic. It is essential to explain to people why you do what you do and how it impacts the solution to the growing global energy demand.
We have developed, so listening to all the talks the last 2 days, we've heard about numerous organizations, data sets, and working groups with the same goal, which is to promote the safe and responsible, environmentally responsible use of the Arctic. So we developed a concept. We call it Arctic Cloud. And the idea is that it's a web-based tool providing access to real-time observations of the various scientific, industrial, and natural activities that are going on in the Arctic today and in the future.
You see here today, of practical reasons. Within the logbook, the major issues for the Sami family are discussed, evaluated and decided, especially for managing their reindeer herding business and family. This is where we confront the central issues of our lives.
I would now like to draw your attention to the Arctic Frontiers machinery. And especially Field Marshal Reinhard Fieder, who is drawing in all kinds of springs, seen or unseen springs, to have this machinery to work. And then together Victoria Borton, Stig Mathisen, Matthias Lange-Wassen, and a number of others in Kumse Event Service, several staff of Raniva, University Technical Staff and UBET, and a number of volunteer students which you see helping us around all the time. I would like you all to give a very big hand.
So now we're going to take a few minutes of your time while you're enjoying your coffee and dessert, and hopefully a little bit of wine that you might have left, to talk a little bit about what this means, this polar might, as in what the poles might look like in the future.
Well, welcome to the future. With warming temperatures, the University Center at Svalbard every year is expanding its graduate program and including more and more interdisciplinary programs every year. We are very happy to announce at this groundbreaking event this evening that they now will be offering a palm tree horticulture graduate program that they will be accepting applications for this coming September.